In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Many of us struggle to incorporate enough fruits and vegetables into our diet, even though they are essential for maintaining good health. Eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables is especially important for heart health, as they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help prevent heart disease. In this video, we'll share 10 tips for incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet for heart health. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or a parent, these tips are easy to implement and can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being. By following these tips, you can enjoy a more varied and balanced diet, while also improving your heart health. So, grab a pen and paper, take some notes, and let's get started. 1. Start small. Starting small is often the key to making lasting changes in your diet. By adding just one extra serving of fruits or vegetables each day, you can gradually increase your intake over time without feeling overwhelmed. Try adding a side salad to your lunch or dinner, or swapping out your usual snack for a piece of fruit. As you get more comfortable with this change, you can gradually add more servings to your diet until you reach the recommended daily intake of 5 to 9 servings. Remember, every little bit counts, so start small and celebrate your progress along the way. 2. Plan ahead. Planning your meals ahead of time is an excellent way to ensure that you're getting enough fruits and vegetables in your diet. Take some time each week to plan out your meals and snacks, and make a grocery list to ensure that you have everything you need on hand. Be sure to include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your meal plan, and consider how you can incorporate them into each meal. For example, you might plan to have a fruit smoothie for breakfast, a big salad for lunch, and roasted vegetables with dinner. By planning ahead, you'll be less likely to reach for unhealthy options when hunger strikes, and you'll have the ingredients you need to make healthy meals and snacks throughout the week. 3. Snack on fruits and veggies. Snacking on fruits and vegetables is a great way to satisfy your hunger between meals while also getting in some extra nutrients. To make healthy snacking easy and convenient, try keeping cut-up fruits and vegetables in your refrigerator. You can prepare them at the beginning of the week and store them in small containers or resealable bags for easy access. Some great options for snacking include carrot sticks, celery, bell pepper slices, cherry tomatoes, apple slices, and berries. By having these healthy options on hand, you'll be less likely to reach for processed snacks that are high in sugar and unhealthy fats. Plus, the fiber and water content in fruits and vegetables can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can also help you maintain a healthy weight. So, next time you're feeling hungry, reach for a healthy snack from your fridge. 4. Add them to your breakfast. Adding fruits and vegetables to your breakfast is a delicious way to start the day off on a healthy note. You can easily incorporate them into your morning routine by adding fruits like berries to your breakfast cereal or oatmeal, or by adding vegetables like spinach to your omelets. The sweetness of the fruit can add a natural flavor to your breakfast, while the veggies can add a boost of nutrition to your meal. Berries are a great source of antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, and they're easy to add to your breakfast. Simply sprinkle them on top of your cereal or oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie for a quick and easy breakfast on the go. Spinach is also a great addition to your breakfast. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, including iron and calcium, and it's a great way to sneak in some extra vegetables into your diet. Try adding spinach to your omelets or scrambled eggs, or blend it into a smoothie for a nutrient-packed breakfast drink. Adding fruits and vegetables to your breakfast is a simple yet effective way to boost your daily intake of nutrients and improve your overall health. So, next time you're making breakfast, consider adding some colorful fruits and veggies to your plate. 5. Make a smoothie. Making a smoothie is an excellent way to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet in a quick and convenient way. With a blender, you can easily blend together fruits and vegetables to create a delicious and healthy smoothie that's packed with nutrients. To make a smoothie, start by choosing your base. You can use water, milk, yogurt, or a non-dairy alternative like almond milk as your base. Next, choose your fruits and vegetables. Some great options include spinach, kale, berries, bananas, mangoes, and pineapples. Blend all of the ingredients together until smooth, and enjoy. You can also add protein powder, nut butter, or other healthy ingredients to your smoothie for an extra boost of nutrition. Smoothies are a great option for breakfast or as a snack, and they're a great way to get in a variety of fruits and vegetables in one meal. Plus, they're portable, so you can take them with you on the go. By making a smoothie, you can easily increase your intake of fruits and vegetables, which can help improve your overall health and reduce your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. So, next time you're looking for a quick and healthy meal or snack, try making a delicious smoothie. 6. Make a salad. Making a salad is a tasty and healthy way to incorporate a variety of vegetables into your diet. Salads can be customized to your liking and are a great way to get creative with your meal preparation. To make a salad, start by choosing your greens. Mix different types of lettuce, such as spinach, kale, and arugula, to add a variety of nutrients to your salad. Then, add a variety of colorful vegetables, such as carrots, cucumbers, peppers, and tomatoes, to increase the nutritional value of your meal. You can also add some healthy fats and proteins to your salad, such as avocado, nuts, seeds, and grilled chicken or tofu. This will help you stay fuller for longer and provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. To add some extra flavor to your salad, you can also make your own dressing. Try mixing olive oil, vinegar, lemon juice, and your favorite herbs and spices to create a delicious and healthy dressing that's free from preservatives and additives. Salads are a great way to increase your intake of vegetables and are perfect for a quick and healthy meal or side dish. They're also a great option for meal prep, as you can easily make a large batch of salad and portion it out for the week ahead. By making a salad, you can easily increase your daily intake of vegetables and improve your overall health. So, next time you're looking for a healthy meal option, try making a delicious and nutritious salad. 7. Swap out unhealthy snacks. Swapping out unhealthy snacks with fruits and vegetables is an easy way to improve your diet and make healthier choices. Snacks like chips or candy are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Instead of reaching for these unhealthy snacks, try replacing them with fruits and vegetables. Not only are they low in calories and packed with nutrients, but they also provide a satisfying crunch and sweetness that can satisfy your cravings. Some great options for healthy snacks include carrot sticks, celery with peanut butter, apple slices with almond butter, or berries with Greek yogurt. You can also prepare a vegetable platter with cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and bell peppers for a delicious and healthy snack. If you're looking for a more filling snack, try making a vegetable hummus wrap with whole grain tortillas, hummus, and veggies like spinach, cucumbers, and peppers. By swapping out unhealthy snacks with fruits and vegetables, you can improve your diet and reduce your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. So next time you're feeling snacky, reach for some delicious and healthy fruits and veggies. 8. Try new recipes. Trying out new recipes that feature fruits and vegetables is a great way to keep your diet interesting and add more variety to your meals. There are countless recipes available online that feature fruits and vegetables in creative and delicious ways, from savory dishes to sweet treats. To find new recipes, try searching for specific fruits or vegetables that you want to try cooking with. For example, if you want to incorporate more kale into your diet, search for kale recipes and try making a kale salad, kale chips, or kale pesto. You can also search for recipes that feature a variety of fruits and vegetables, such as stir-fries, soups, and stews. These dishes often incorporate multiple vegetables and provide a balanced and nutritious meal. Don't be afraid to try new recipes and experiment with different ingredients and flavors. You might discover a new favorite dish that you can incorporate into your regular meal rotation. By trying out new recipes that feature fruits and vegetables, you can expand your culinary skills, improve your diet, and discover new and delicious ways to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your meals. So get creative in the kitchen and have fun exploring new recipes. 9. Make it a family affair. Involving your family in planning and preparing meals with fruits and vegetables is a great way to encourage healthy eating habits and promote a positive relationship with food. Getting everyone involved in the process can make mealtime more enjoyable and help your family develop a deeper appreciation for the importance of healthy eating. To get started, try sitting down with your family to plan out meals for the week ahead. Ask everyone for their input and encourage them to suggest fruits and vegetables that they would like to incorporate into their meals. This can help everyone feel more invested in the process and more excited to try new foods. When it comes to meal preparation, assign tasks to each family member to get everyone involved in the process. Younger children can help with simple tasks like washing fruits and vegetables, while older children can help with more complex tasks like chopping and cooking. Making meal preparation a family affair can also provide an opportunity to teach children about the importance of healthy eating and where their food comes from. Encourage your family to visit local farmers markets or grow their own fruits and vegetables in a backyard garden to learn more about how fresh produce is grown and harvested. By involving your family in planning and preparing meals with fruits and vegetables, you can make healthy eating a fun and engaging activity for everyone. It's a great way to spend quality time together and build healthy habits that will benefit your family for years to come. In conclusion, incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet is a simple yet effective way to improve your heart health. By following these tips, you can make healthy eating a part of your daily routine and enjoy the benefits of a healthier heart. Remember, a healthy diet is just one part of a healthy lifestyle, so be sure to also engage in regular physical activity, get enough sleep, and manage your stress levels. With these lifestyle changes, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.